but SOLIDWORKS offers many more tools to achieve and design high-quality products. Splices can be used in electrical routing to connect another component. We can add a splice directly to an existing route by simply using the dedicated command. Once inserted, the autoroute command can be used to finish connecting the second fan. Folded or flexible ribbon cables are also available in SOLIDWORKS and can be quickly created. As for all routing, they can be routed through a specific path using the clips provided in the design library. Last but not least, SOLIDWORKS supports standard length cables. The command to quickly add off-the-shelf standard cables can be accessed easily through the routing menu or by using command search. The available cables are defined in an Excel file with all the information including the connectors, the length, and the cable diameter, and can be edited to create as many types of standard cable as you need. To insert the cable, just attach the connectors to the PCB and the back of the screen. Once again, SOLIDWORKS SmartMates do wonders. The connectors simply snap into places and the cable is then routed between them. The route can be reshaped by dragging the spline point, but the fixed length will be maintained. Finally, covering can be added to any route to represent modules such as insulation or split sleeves that are sometimes placed to protect them. Multiple coverings are supported and all the information can be propagated to the drawing and bills of modules. Now that a model is complete, it is important to share documentation and design information. SOLIDWORKS offers a variety of options to create flattening representation of 3D electrical cables and harnesses. The Flatten Route Property Manager lets you choose between the two main methods available, annotation or manufacture. The annotation method is a simplified representation of the route, with straight lines and is not to scale. On the other hand, you can use the manufacturer method to create life-size drawings that can be used for nearby layouts. All you need to do is select the center and the type of layout, vertical or horizontal. You can choose to create a drawing directly from the Flatten route and pick which items should be included. SOLIDWORKS will then automatically create the flat pattern drawing of the electrical harness and include balloons and tables such as the circuit summary, the electrical bill of materials, and connector tables. The wires lengths are listed and take into account the slack percentage defined in the options. But it's also possible to edit the flatten route to get exactly what you are after. To make the changes, SOLIDWORKS has 3 easy-to-use editing tools: straighten, adjust curvature, and adjust angle. For example, the straighten tool can be used on a curved segment to select a point on which to straighten the line. The curvature tool allows you to change the radius of a curve or add a curve if applied on a straight line. Finally, the last option is to adjust the angle of a wire. The preview gives you a visual feedback. Combined with the apply and undo button, it is extremely easy to create a manufacturing style representation just the way you want. And of course, any changes made to the flat pattern will automatically update the drawing file, ensuring the documentation is always accurate and up to date. SOLIDWORKS routing has some unique and powerful capabilities to help you design your electrical routed systems and integrate them into your design. By using SOLIDWORKS routing, you'll be able to streamline the design of any product of machinery that requires electrical harnesses, not to mention that SOLIDWORKS can take advantages of the data provided by third-party application to simplify the process even more.